Alright, so welcome to this video. We are going to learn where to get inspiration. Inspiration comes from everywhere, anywhere, and I don't want you to restrict yourself to what I'm about to teach. Okay, inspiration can come from things you see, sunsets, people you talk to, scrolling. But another way you can think about inspiration is, where do you go to when you need design? So the thing is, a lot of believe that you have to create everything from scratch. Like I've told you from the design Kickstarter, everything you create is as a result of you bringing different ideas together. In school settings, what you do as your project work is simply collecting different writings and putting it together. The same is design. Design, you look at people's ideas and you just put them together. You get inspired by how this person position the image. You get an idea on how this person is handling the text. You get your idea on how this person use the color, and you kind of put these things together, and that gives you your own creativity. So in the beginning, you may not really know what to design. For example, a person who wants to buy a car starts searching online on which color, the brand, which one engine is better. The same thing happens to design. When you want to design, you go online, you search for design, you look for ideas, you try to verify which color will work for the brand and all that. All those one, which is the research phase of any design, we'll look at the steps to design. Those help you to like create the idea. So when you go looking for somewhere to get inspiration or idea, what you simply do is to go to a website that has collection of designs that you can look at to actually check out what you want to make. For example, Pinterest is one of my favorite places. Let's say you want to create something, and this is my Pinterest account, and you want to create something like a quote design. We just made a quote design not quite long. I searched this recently, so I'm just gonna do that again. Quote design, quote design, and I said quote design. So Canva, Pinterest has a lot. And Pinterest, you can go to pinterest.com, which is pinterest.com, and just search for what I've searched for now. You're going to see different quote ideas. Okay, different quote idea. I just saw this one that I worked on before. This one here, you can see this one. This one is really cool. You can see the idea how the image was placed here. You can see this one of Mark Zuckerberg. You can see this of this black guy. I don't know him. You can see all this glassy style. You can see that the image has been placed to the left. You can see all this. Okay, this fuels your design. I like this one of Jack Ma. I think we're going to create something like this. And once you see the ones you like, just download them. Okay, this feeds your creativity. Okay, this is where you can go to for ideas. Okay, I'm just going to download all these. And also other places that you can get is inspiration is your Instagram page. Follow designers that you like their work. Look at other designers, okay, and just save them, screenshot them, and look at them, because when you sit down to create, those are the things that fills your mind when you're about creating. So in our next video, we're going to create our own design. Remember, we customize the template not quite long. That was the previous video, but this one we're going to create our own design. I like this design here. Oh my goodness. This one. You see this red color. Cool. Nice. I love it. Alright, so there's a whole lot of creativity. I can see how I can already do this in Canva. Okay, so that's it for this video. Always use Pinterest. You can follow me if you want. Okay, graphic design. This is my name. Goes for you, Ashibinoma. So that's it. And by the way, there are other places that you can get inspiration. For example, Dribble. Okay. Let me not restrict you to Pinterest. Dribble. I think Dribble is spelled as this. We have Dribble. This one can give you inspiration. Then we have Behance. Behance. I'm not spelling that correctly. Behance. Okay. Okay. Dribble and this Behance. I'm not going to sign in. I have an account here, but I really don't use Behance that much. There's a cool place. You can search for different stuff. Even motion design, you can get Let's search for graphics here. You can see how cool these are, more like premium feel, more premium. Then if you go to Dribble are more like Illustrator stuff. Okay, I don't want to sign in. Okay, you see inspiration for your UI, UX, mockup, all that. These are all ways that you can get inspiration. So like these are like the three places that I go to most of the time, but Pinterest is my biggest place that I go to. So you can always search for flyer. Maybe you're a business person and you want to search for maybe you're searching for Mother's Day. Oh, let me not search for Mother's Day. Let's search for fashion designer. You can see you're just gonna get different ideas of what you can make for fashion design brand and all that. This fuels your creativity. So that's it. That's how you can get inspiration for your design projects, so that when you sit down to create, you are filled with different ideas that you can implement into your own work. Okay, and that's it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.